Okay, I will tell you about the AutoCAD interface. This is the start menu when you open the AutoCAD using desktop app. There is template. We can see there is many kinds of template when we scroll down. And this is the recent documents that we have created. When we'll click this plus icon, or you can click the application menu and click to new, it will open up the template that stored in AutoCAD directory. So please choose acad.iso and click open. After that, this interface will be open. Now I will teach about the GUI of AutoCAD. In the upper leftmost corner, there is called application menu, where you will find the save as, import, export and etc. Over here, it is called the quick access toolbar. In this application menu, the save as, import, export were placed in here to access quickly. So it will call the quick access toolbar. Now here, this big panel is called the ribbon. In here there is number of tab like home, insert, annotate. We will learn each and every tool from AutoCAD. Now there is an icon called ribbon view. If you click that, this will change our view of ribbon cycling through the process. And if you click this drop down, you can customize it by clicking minimize tabs and etc. And if you clicked it, it will cycle through all of this. In here there is a search and keyword phase. It is called the info center. If you know the name of a command, you can search over here. It will give us the help of that. And this is a sign in button. Now over here, this is the drawing area or graphic area. Anything we can draw in this AutoCAD will be appeared in here. This is called the view cube. We can orientate our view by using this view cube. This icon called navigation bar or nav bar, it will contains the pan, zoom and orbit and etc. In below the XY, it is the coordinate system shown in here. Because it is in 2D, so there is only showing X and Y. Below this there is called layout tab. It contains model, layout 1 and layout 2. We can make other layout by clicking this new layout icon. Over here it is called the command bar or command box. We can write command in AutoCAD by clicking here and writing. Over here, very important thing is this status bar. This status represent the AutoCAD drawing status and working. By clicking this, we can change our grid on, off and etc. I will explain each and every step in our tutorial separately in one video. For now, I will say just leave it here, but before that, please click this 3 customization bar or called customization menu. Click here and turn on all the settings over here. But there is a setting called lock UI, but don't click lock UI from here. Just turn on other selection. So in next video, I will explain each and every status bar icon over here and what they are doing in AutoCAD.